So I came out to start the tractor and no start. I got my helpers with me. Say hi. Say hi. Riley, say hi. Oakley, say hi. Nothing? All right. So the battery terminals, pretty bad shape. The positive side is gone. I think that's the problem. Well, I got the battery fixed. What a major pain that was. Took me 2 hours. So the terminals were in really good shape, but the bolts had corroded off completely. The positive didn't even have one on it. Yeah, my hardware's a little long. I still got, I don't know, probably like an inch of clearance between here and here. Should be plenty. So that's stainless steel hardware. I milled down a nut, big flat stainless nut I had to fit down in that groove right there. Those should last a long time. All stainless. So that's good to go now. Kind of glad it did it when it did. If it would have done it any other time, I would have been probably too busy to mess with it. So, worked out pretty good. Well, I've got a new project in mind. So this is a 12-inch bucket on my backhoe. Well, I want to do some more digging in the pond, and I want to make probably a 3-foot bucket. I have like the same profile. Need to make the same brackets, so I need to get this bucket off. Not gonna have any teeth on it, it's gonna be smooth. So, I need to get this bucket off of here. some shims. I think I need to get a couple more shims. Maybe make some bushings. That one back on, so pin maybe back in the same hole. Shouldn't matter, but might. I wonder how heavy this is. Feel too bad. I'll go lower it to the ground, be a little safe. All right. Pins are kind of loose. Might make some bushings weld on here while I got it off. Tighten them up a little bit. What about these? pretty tight, but they could use some shims. Well, might make some bigger pins. Okay, well, that's good for the day. I'll try to measure and get some parts cut out.